Assalamu alaikum. This is Rabia Rashid and you are watching RR Lectures. This video is specifically for those who are asking from where to prepare Indo-Pak history. So Indo-Pak history is very much similar to Pak affairs. So if you have books of Pak affairs, then you don't need to worry. You just want to buy this one book. Although you're seeing two books here of KLE, but this book is more important. Yes, this is also, but to some extent because it covers the Indus Valley civilization, the like periods of various empires up till the Deccan Empire. Then it deals with the Arab conquest and the Muslim rule in India, the Ghazi and the Ghaznavid dynasties, and the Delhi Sultanate, the Lodhis and Tughlaqs, and all that. It covers that portion. And this period starts from the Mughal invasion of the subcontinent from 1526 to onwards. And the Mughal part is important here because in the Pak Affair books or the recommended books of Pak Affairs, they don't cover the Mughal era that much. Here, it's in detail, and the policies are also discussed. And like the interesting thing is here that they have summarized the paragraphs like this. They have written um, like headings. You can make great headings with these points. The points are actually given on the sides of the pages. So I just enjoyed this because it made my work very easy. And after the Mughal empires and talking about the East India Company and the governor generals of appointed by the East India Company. This portion is also important because our Pak Affair book starts mainly from 1857, the War of 1857. So they don't cover the period before that. So for that you have to take this book of K. Ellis, and it's very good book. And due to the similarity of Pak Affairs and Indo-Pak history, this paper was like a piece of cake for me. So if you are yet not decisive about what history portion should you choose, you should take US history, European, or Indo-Pak. So I would recommend Indo-Pak history is just like it's very easy and you can do it very well because already you are doing Pak affairs. So like 70% of the portion is Pak affairs. You have already covered that. So if you go with Indo-Pak history, it's very good. But again, I will say that it depends on your interest. If you have an interest in Indo-Pak, then you should go for it. And if you don't have, then you should leave it here. And moreover, I want to talk about another thing. Yes, that is that I was preparing for my interview mainly due to just increase the fluency in English. So I have made some lectures and I will be uploading that. So those who are interested, you are welcome to watch those. Like I have prepared things in detail and specifically from this book, and mainly I will be teaching from that book, if you say in other words. So but like there will be some mistakes, probably not due to knowledge but due to struggling with the language. So spoken is quite different from writing. So you slip a little slip of tongue can make a huge impact on what you're presenting. So if you want to listen those, you can, and you can give me useful bits of information as well. So any good suggestion will be highly valuable for me, and it will help me as well, and it will help those as well, like who can study only through lectures. Like I was very much assisted by lectures while studying because sometimes the book of history seems very boring. So instead of that, if you watch some good lectures or you listen to the YouTube lectures, it often benefits greatly. So इसके साथ मुझे इजाज़त है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।